So we were studying the applications of IT in the field of marketing. So in marketing, uses of the computer are as follows. The computers or the information technology can be used in marketing for the purpose of advertising or for shopping, online shopping. You can call it as home shopping also. So how the computers they are used for advertising, let us see. With computers, advertising professional creates arts and graphics, and they also write and revise the copy. So some graphical format is drawn, or some taglines are written, script writing is done, editing is done on that. Okay, and the prints are taken, handbills and all they can be created. So this is how the ads are created with the help of computers, with the help of information technology. The ads are posted online. So web application or the web ads, they are posted very fast and they spread up to everyone from the social media or by online. The only goal behind the ad is what? To sell more and more number of products. So the computer is very beneficially used in the field of advertisement, in the field of marketing, with a common goal of achieving success of selling more and more products. Now how the computers or information technology is helping at home shopping. Now sitting at home you can shop for many things. The thing only you have to do is go on the application or go on the site which you generally prefer for, like Flipkart, Amazon, okay, eBay is there, number of Myntra.com, number of sites are there from which you can search, order for many of the things. When the order is in process, you have to do the payment options are there, cash on delivery or online payment, and the order tracking is done. The products reach at your home. If you are paid already, you just have to collect your product, and if you are not paid, then you have to pay on, that is cash on delivery. When the product is delivered at your home, you have to pay for that product. So home shopping has been made possible through the use of computerized catalogs that provide access to product information and permit direct entry of orders to be filled by the computers. So directly you have to just search for the product, place an order for that product, and you can get that product right at your doorstep. So this is how information technology and advancement in that information technology has helped you a lot in the field of marketing. The next application of IT is at the healthcare. Now how the information technology or the computers they are helping at the healthcare centers. There is a concept called ECG, electronic cardiogram. Then there is a sonography, ultrasounds are there, CT scans are there, MRI reports. So many of the things, scanning and all the purpose. Then the patient history, the medicines history about that patient, everything is done with the help of, now everything is done online, or a number, booking a number at the doctor for consulting a doctor. You can take the appointment of the doctor right sitting at the home. Okay, so computers have been an important part in hospitals, labs and dispensaries. They are being used in hospitals to keep the record of the patients and the medicines. So when the computers or the technology, when it is used at hospitals, it is keeping the record of the patient, like the name, his age, his mobile number, then whether his gender, he is a male or a female, that details are stored. Then what type of sicknesses or diseases he is suffering from, कोणते आजार आहेत त्यांना, त्याची माहिती, त्यांचं वय, देन वेदर स्त्री पुरुष आहे, त्यांचं नाव, त्यांचं कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर, असे सगळे पेशंट रेकॉर्ड, त्यांना कोणते आजार आहेत, काय ट्रीटमेंट दिली जात आहे, कोणते औषध उपचार चाललेले आहेत, हा सगळा रेकॉर्ड कॉम्प्युटरवर स्टोर्ड असतो. Even the history about the medicines is stored. It is also used in scanning and diagnosing different diseases. So it is also used for the scanning purpose. As I told you, Before that, ECG is there, EEG is there, ultrasound, CT scans, etc. These are the healthcare applications of the computer. They are also done by computerized machines. Following are some major fields of healthcare in which computers are used. See, now diagnostic centers are there. Computers are used to collect the data and identify the cause of illness. म्हणजे पेशंट रिलेटेड सगळा डेटा कलेक्ट केला जातो आणि त्याच्या त्या आजारामागचं कारण काय हे शोधण्याचा प्रयत्न डायग्नोस्टिक सेंटर्स or that diagnostic systems they are doing. Okay, then the lab diagnostic system is there. All the tests can be done and the reports are prepared by the computer. So whether you are doing a test for your HB, sugar, any type of test, thyroid is there, CBC is there, any types of test you are doing for that, there is also a need of computer in that labs also. Okay, the printed format of the reports you get, and many of the tests nowadays they are computerized. Okay, the next is the patient monitoring system. These are used to check the patient signs for the abnormalities such as the cardiac arrest, ECG. Cardiac means something that is related to your heart, and like the heart attacks you say, so that type of things, monitoring such type of things, also we are using a computerized system. Then pharma information system. Computer is used to check the drug labels, expiry dates, harmful side effects, etc. See, now whenever you visit a medical for buying your medicines or something, like they ask you for the name of the patient, name of the doctor, then their प्रिस्क्रिप्शन इज गिवन टू. जे काही प्रिस्क्रिप्शन दिलेलं असतं डॉक्टरनी त्याच्यावर डॉक्टरचं नाव, पेशंटचं नाव असतं, ते कॉम्प्युटरमध्ये स्टोअर केले जातं जेव्हा तुम्ही मेडिकल्समध्ये जाता तेव्हा. आफ्टर द स्टोरिंग दॅट ते मेडिसिन्स काढले जातात. त्याच्यानंतर ते जर स्कॅनर असेल तर स्कॅन केलं जातं, अदरवाईज एंट्रीज केल्या जातात विथ द हेल्प ऑफ द कीबोर्ड. अँड ऑन द मॉनिटर द बॅच नंबर ऑफ दॅट मेडिसिन, इट्स MRP, इट्स क्वांटिटी, when is the expiry date, when was it manufactured, which type of drug it is, which type of medicine it is, okay, what are the harmful side effects of that medicine, everything is seen on the screen. So this is how the computer is helping in the healthcare at the medicals. Okay, the next thing is the surgery. Nowadays computers are also used in performing surgeries. Many of the surgeries they are done by the computers. Like there are some anti-humanoid robots are there. Okay, these robots, what they do, ॲक्च्युअल रोबो नाही पण ती जी मशीन असते तिला काहीतरी इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिलेले असतात, ती त्याप्रमाणे वर्किंग करते आणि त्या सर्जरीज मोस्ट ऑफ कॉम्प्युटराइज्ड आहेत. जसं लेन्स बसवायचं काम असेल, देन देर इज अ आय सर्जरीज ऑल्सो. मोस्ट ऑफ द आय सर्जरीज इट इज विथ द हेल्प ऑफ द मशीन्स ओनली. सो computer and information technology is playing a big role in the healthcare also. We have seen the application of IT in marketing, healthcare. There is also a big play of IT in the banking sector. So as told earlier, I had told you that there is a teller in a bank. Okay, branch banking मध्ये एक व्यक्ती असतो ज्याला तुम्ही प्रश्न विचारू शकता and he will give you the information. Where is the cashier? If you want to withdraw money, which slip you have to take. If you want to deposit some amount, which slip you have to write down. So that is the person who is they're present on the may I help you desk. Okay, and that may I help you desk, the person, when you ask questions, sometimes he is fed up of answering you again and again the same questions. Every new customer or the account holder comes and asks for the same question. So a solution for this is the robots are standing nowadays in the banks. Okay, and you just have to enter your query, whatever question you have. तुम्हाला काही प्रश्न असेल तर तिथे त्या रोबोच्या वरती एक स्क्रीन असते, त्या स्क्रीनवरती मे आय हेल्प यू, हाऊ मे आय हेल्प यू, म्हणजे तुमची मदत मी कशा प्रकारे करू शकतो. आणि खाली ऑप्शन दिलेले असतात, डिपॉझिट्स, देन वेदर यू वॉन्ट टू डिपॉझिट मनी, वेदर यू वॉन्ट टू विड्रॉ मनी, whether you want to go to the loan section, if you want to meet to the manager. You just need to click on that screen and that robo will guide you till that path. Okay, I'll be sharing you the video of that anti-humanoid robo, how it is working. That video I will share it with you, so you will get to know how the information advancement in IT has helped all the sectors along with banking and marketing. Now it is also having a major role in the engineering design. Computers are widely used for the engineering purpose. You might have listened about the CAD and CAM. CAD आणि CAM असे दोन ॲप्लिकेशन्स आहेत. कॉम्प्युटर एडेड डिझाईन आणि कॉम्प्युटर एडेड मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग. CAD and CAM. These two applications, they are used for designing the number of engines for the purpose of industries and all. I have a video for this also. The car which is very famous, BMW ची गाडी आहे, BMW. ती गाडी माणसं तयार करत नाही. Completely it is designed and developed by machines only. Okay, automatically all that car is designed, painted and it is fixed with the help of machines only. कुठेच मॅन्युअली काम होत नाही, मेकॅनिकली काम होत नाही. सगळं पूर्ण गाडी डिझाईन आणि डेव्हलप मशीनवर झालेली आहे. दॅट व्हिडिओ ऑल्सो आय विल शेअर इट विथ यू. दॅट इज द पार्ट ऑफ युअर कॉम्प्युटर एडेड डिझाईन अँड कॉम्प्युटर एडेड मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग. तुम्ही जो टार्झन मूवी पाहिला असेल, टार्झन द वंडर कार. तो जी कार डिझाईन करतो तो स्वतः तो डिझाईन करतो, मॉडिफाय करतो ती कार, आणि तो मेकॅनिकली त्याच्या कष्टाने त्यांनी ती कार मॉडिफाय केलेली असते. पण ही जी BMWची जी कार आहे, BMW, इट इज कम्प्लिटली फिक्स्ड बाय द मशीन्स इटसेल्फ. मॅन्युअल कष्ट किंवा मॅन पॉवरची तिथे गरजच नाही. कम्प्लिटली ती गाडी मशीनवरती रेडी होत असते. So one of the major areas in computer aided design that provides creation and modification of the images. So some of these fields are the structural engineering, where requires stress and strain analysis. Okay, stress and strain means what? Stress is म्हणजे तुम्हाला जे टेन्शन्स, ताण तणाव आपण म्हणतो, ताण तणाव, दॅट इज द स्ट्रेस अँड स्ट्रेन ॲनालिसिस. सो त्याचं स्टडी analysis for the design of the ships, buildings, budgets, airplanes, etc. Industrial engineering. Computers deal with design, implementation and improvement of integrated system of the people, materials and equipment. Architectural engineering. It helps in planning towns, designing the buildings, determining a range of building on a site using both 2D and the 3D drawings. Then there is a use of IT in the field of military also. Computers they are largely used in the defense, like the modern tanks, missiles, weapons, etc. Military also employs computerized control systems. Some military areas where a computer has been used are, बघा आता इन्फॉर्मेशन टेक्नॉलॉजी, मिसाईल कंट्रोल करण्यासाठी आहे, मिलिटरी कम्युनिकेशनसाठी आहे, मिलिटरी ऑपरेशन आणि मिलिटरी प्लॅनिंग असेल, स्मार्ट वेपन्स असतील. मी तुम्हाला एक एक्झाम्पल, एक व्हिडिओ दाखवलं होतं, तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना आठवतं आहे का? द व्हिडिओ ऑफ द पिजन इम्पॉसिबल. सो दिस इज द बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल ऑफ IT. पिजन इम्पॉसिबल नावाचं एक यूट्यूबवरचं व्हिडिओ मी तुम्हाला दाखवलं होतं. हाऊ दॅट बर्ड स्टार्ट्स कंट्रोलिंग ऑल द मिसाइल्स अँड there was a big disaster in that country, if you remember. Otherwise the 3 videos I'll be sharing with you. One is about the pigeon impossible, the second one is manufacturing of the BMW car, and the third one, it is the banking, how the robots they are working in the banking sector. Nowadays you might have seen the robots which they are used in hospitals for the treatment of the COVID patients, or for the taking care of that COVID patients, to give them the meals and the medicines on time. So most of the hospitals they have installed the robots, so that less amount of physical contact between the patient and other human beings will be there. So the robo is mostly used at the COVID centers, where there is advanced cities or the smart cities, they are using such type of robots for that treatment. So this is how IT is used in almost all the fields, like marketing, financial services, banking, airlines, railways, hospitals, schools, colleges, education, engineering designs, military. So I hope you have understood our practical number 1, which was dealing with the applications of IT in various fields. Thank you for listening, all of you, and have a nice day.